If you've ever considered a career in UX design, or if you're just curious about the earning potential of this fulfilling profession, you've come to the right place. So let's jump right in. UX design is not only fulfilling and impactful work, but it's also a profession that rewards you financially. UX designers are among the top earners in the design field. We recently created a comprehensive analysis of salaries based on various sources, including industry reports, job boards, and salary surveys from sources like PayScale, Glassdoor, and Indeed. UX designer salaries can vary based on experience level and geographic region. Entry-level designers can expect to earn around $60,000 to $80,000 per year, while mid-level designers can earn between $80,000 and $100,000 annually. As you progress in your career and gain more experience, senior UX designers can earn upwards of $100,000, with some even passing the $150,000 mark. Now, let's explore the salary landscape in other regions. In Ireland, the salaries for entry-level UX designers range from €30,000 to €40,000, while mid-level designers can earn between €40,000 and €60,000 per year. Senior UX designers in Ireland can earn over €60,000 annually. Moving on to the United Kingdom, entry-level UX designers can expect to earn between £25,000 and £35,000 per year. Mid-level designers in the UK can earn between £35,000 and £45,000 annually, while senior UX designers can earn over £45,000 per year. In Canada, the salary range for entry-level UX designers is around $50,000 to $70,000 Canadian dollars per year. Mid-level designers can earn between $70,000 and $90,000 Canadian dollars annually, while senior UX designers can earn over $90,000 Canadian dollars per year. And finally, in Australia, entry-level UX designers can expect to earn between $60,000 to $80,000 Australian dollars per year. Mid-level designers in Australia can earn between $80,000 and $100,000 Australian dollars annually, while senior UX designers can earn over $100,000 per year. It's worth noting that salaries can also differ depending on the region you work in within these countries. Factors such as the cost of living and demand for UX designers in specific cities can influence salary ranges too. Now that we've covered the numbers, let's explore the job market for UX designers. The demand for UX designers is growing rapidly, with numerous open roles across various industries. Some of the potential job titles you might come across include UX designer, UI designer, interaction designer, product designer, and UX researcher. When it comes to choosing a company to work for, it's important to consider a few factors. Look for organizations that prioritize user-centered design and have a strong design culture. You want to work in an environment that values your contributions and provides opportunities for growth and learning. So do your research and choose a company that aligns with your values and career goals. So how can you stand out in this competitive field and increase your chances of getting hired? Well, a stellar portfolio is key. Your portfolio showcases your skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Make sure to include case studies that demonstrate your design process and the impact of your work. Remember, a well-crafted portfolio can make all the difference in catching the attention of potential employers. If you're looking to enhance your skills and knowledge in UX design, the UX Design Institute has got you covered. We offer a free course that's perfect for beginners who want to get started in UX design. We've left a link in the course description below, so be sure to check it out. Additionally, if you're looking for a more comprehensive learning experience and want to build a great portfolio, the UX Design Institute offers a diploma in UX design. This program not only provides you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed, but also offers a university credit-rated qualification. It's a fantastic way to take your career to the next level and open up exciting opportunities in the field. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the earning potential of UX design. Remember, UX design is not only financially rewarding, but it also allows you to make a real impact on the lives of users. So if you're passionate about design and problem solving, consider diving into the world of UX design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community of learners. And hit the bell while you're at it to get notifications on upcoming videos. If you have any other questions or topics you'd love for us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you in the next one.